Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I finally got my hands on one. It is the Walmart Live Better Free Holiday 2018 edition. And I love this magazine just because I love the recipes they have here. I love the decor ideas, fashion, but of course, you know I'm all about the coupons. So I haven't had a chance to review this magazine, so what better time than to review it with you. So let's see if there's any good coupons in here. So we'll do a quick flip through. So again, these are found usually by the cashiers or the entrance or the exit to the Walmart. I'm not sure if these are available in the US. They are of course available in Canada. So let's see if they have any coupons that are worth our while. So here's some cute ugly sweater ideas, some appetizer ideas, which I love, and especially this time of year they have great ideas. Here's a recipe, the hearty shepherd's pie. Okay, here's our first coupon. So save $1 on any 2 Rubbermaid take-along products, or save $2 on any 1 Rubbermaid party platter product. And these have a expiry date of January 31st, 2019. So that's our first coupon. Here's some more ideas of the ultimate party platter, and doesn't that look good? And these are the things, but okay, let's do a quick flip through. Again, we're specifically looking for coupons. Here is a $2 off Yum Dynasty 600 gram entree, orange teriyaki chicken, Korean sesame chicken, and Hakka style chili chicken. Save $2. I don't know what those normally run for. If you know, comment down below. $2 seems like a good savings. Here's save $3 on Nature's Recipe dog food of 1.8 kilogram bag or larger. Look at these ideas. I just love, for the little ones, for the big kids. Okay, here's a good one. It's buy 3, save $1 off the Tic Tac gum, any flavor. Okay, save $3 on any 2 Ziploc Disney Nutcracker products. Save $5 when you spend $15 on any Glade Disney Nutcracker products. So that's a pretty good one. So save $5 off 15 and save $2 when you purchase any 2 Scrubbing Bubble products. That's a good coupon as well. Sorry if I'm going too quick here. Look at that. Doesn't that just scream Christmas? It does to me. Oh, look at that. Love it. Okay, VH, new flavors. Save $1 with the purchase of any 2 VH sauces. Oh, those look yummy. Save $20 when you buy 1 Oral-B Professional Series electronic toothbrush. And it tells you the exclusions. That is a very good coupon to have. Save $6 on your next purchase of Floristore 50 count or Floristore Max 30 count. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's a daily probiotic supplement. Okay, save $3 off any kibbles and bits, save $5. Again, dependent on the size of the bag, save $1 off dog treats. Okay, not bad. Some fashion. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. I swear Walmart has stepped up their game, in my opinion. Look at that for photos, family photos. Those are so cute. And that brings us to the end. So that was what's in the Live Better magazine. I know a lot of people are interested in this. So get your hands on one of these because they do tend to run out, especially the holiday edition. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. And like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone.